Everyone spends their life searching for something. Some people chase wealth, others seek fame, while many dream of success and recognition. They believe that once they achieve these things, happiness will naturally follow. However, there is one treasure that is far more valuable than money or success. Yet many people do not realize its importance until they lose it. The treasure is peace of mind. David was a young businessman who had always dreamed of becoming successful. He worked from sunrise until late at night, believing that every extra hour would bring him closer to his goals. His business grew quickly, and people admired his achievements. He bought a beautiful house, a luxury car, and everything he had once wished for. From the outside, his life looked perfect. Despite all his success, David could not sleep peacefully. His mind was constantly filled with worries. He feared losing his business, disappointing his clients, and falling behind his competitors. Even while spending time with his family, his thoughts remained trapped in work. His body was present, but his mind was somewhere else. The more success he gained, the more anxious he became. One weekend, David decided to take a short break in the countryside. As he walked through a quiet village, he met an old gardener who was happily watering colorful flowers. The gardener wore simple clothes, lived in a modest home, and owned very little, yet his face was filled with genuine joy. Curious, David asked, "How can you be so happy when you have so little?" The old man smiled warmly and replied, "Because I have learned that peace of mind is worth more than anything I could own. I cannot control tomorrow, but I can choose how I live today. I care for my garden, spend time with the people I love, and remain grateful for what I have." Those simple words stayed with David. For the first time, he realized that he had spent years building his career while neglecting his inner peace. He had achieved financial success but had forgotten how to enjoy life. He understood that a restless mind could never truly appreciate even the greatest accomplishments. After returning home, David began to make small but meaningful changes. He reduced his working hours, spent evenings with his family, started reading books, and took peaceful walks every morning. Instead of worrying about every possible problem, he focused on what he could control and accepted what he could not. Months later, his business continued to grow, but something even more valuable had changed. His smile became genuine, sleep became peaceful, and his relationships grew stronger. He finally understood that success without peace of mind is incomplete. Life will always present challenges, and no one can escape difficulties forever. However, true happiness does not come from having more possessions or receiving endless praise. It comes from living with gratitude, balance, and a calm heart. When your mind is at peace, even ordinary moments become extraordinary.